Hey everybody, it's Nick here at Blue Mountain again. And last week we kind of talked a little bit about the stick guns we got in. Today we're going to go a little bit more into it and talk about some of the new TT10 fan guns we got from TA, like this one over here to my left. Here at Blue, safety is always our #1 concern for not only our guests, but also our guys on the ground working on it. So this is new. Last year we put a couple of these up throughout the mountain, but this is one up close and personal. You're all used to seeing these up in the air. Maybe they're blown when you're skiing or riding underneath it, but today I wanted to talk a little bit about what the service position is and why these are so great for the industry, especially the people working on them. So again, normally it's in its upright position. I have it down in the service position, so it cracks kind of a little bit in half with some hydraulic tools that we put on it. And what this allows is for our service techs to come out when the gun's down and work on it in the ground. I know everybody's used to skiing or riding on the trails and you see the basket up in the air. It's not the most friendly environment to be in, especially when it's windy. It's much safer to work on the gun on the ground. So again, I can access pretty much everything I need to. I can access all my valve motors. I can access all my turning, my raising motors. I can access my weather station, my fan motor, my compressor if I turn the gun a little bit. So again, it's just it's a much safer thing to have on your side out here on the mountain. So last week we talked a little bit about the stick guns. Today we're going to talk about the fan guns. We talked about how the stick guns mix air and water to create the snow particle. The fan gun's doing kind of the same concept, just on a little bit of a different level. So around here, we have all these nozzles. There's different gallon per minute nozzles depending on how cold it is. Obviously, the colder it gets, the more water you can flow through to make the snow crystal. And then these other ones are also incorporating mixing the water in the air. In the back, you have a big fan blade. In the center here is actually an air compressor. The fan blade and the air compressor are on the same shaft. So whenever your fan blade's spinning, your compressor is running, compressing the air. The stick guns utilize a central air system. They have to get their air from pipes underground. The fan guns, unlike the stick guns, make their own air. They compress it and then shoot it out through high pressures through each one of these nucleators on here. So again, it's doing the same thing as a stick gun, a little bit different way to do there.